Hello everyone, this is Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have this Yamaha RAV362 audio video remote control. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here at ReplacementRemotes.com. The part number on this remote is WH25430. It is the original Yamaha equipment. We do offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked return policy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. If you would like to make the order, please give us a call at 336-924-8787. Our friendly staff will be glad to assist you. Or if you would like to order online with confidence through our website, just simply click the link below this video, then hit the green Buy It Now button and we'll ship you this brand new Yamaha remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.